What is up mga men and welcome back sa Let's Ride. So in this episode is we're gonna go sa SuperPark dito sa may Eastwood. Pasensya na pa ako. So we're here right now, naglalaro na tayo ng mga games. Papakita ko sa inyo, stay tuned para makita nyo kung yung mga games. We have 21 games here. Gagawin natin halos lahat, right? So yung shoes dito yung lockers. So we can place the shoes here. Place your shoes. Ayan. So scan natin ngayon. Ayan. So we're gonna tap it. So door number 6. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So yun. Bubukas na automatic yung locker after. Palitan ng socks dito.
Alright, welcome to SuperPark. So we have the risky area is the trampoline area. Just make sure follow the safety rules. Guys, welcome to SuperPark. My name is AJ and it's an honor.
Pinuntahan namin is the IWALL. 2 players siya. Oh! Boom! Second game na gagawin namin is the SISYFOX. So, para mag-ano siya ng ball. Malambot lang yung ball eh. Ayun, ayun, malambot lang yung ball.
Where?
Nice, it's nice. Mag-race kayo. So, you're just gonna start. Ayun.
Go!
3, 2, 1, go! So, yung fourth namin is the super airbag. Ayan, gagawin namin. Go! Sinunod namin is the VALO jump. So magkalaban ngayon si Priya at si Lucas. Ayun na, galaban sila. Pero madami pang games na pwede yung ilipat-lipat yung games. Madami siyang games. So yung next one nila Tria is yung CYCLOBEAT, where kung saan magbabike ka, then race kayong dalawa dito. Diba? Super fun dito, super fun. So next up is the VALO climb. You have to climb, Lucas. Go climb. Go Lucas. Go, Lucas! Very fun? get the videos na laro niya. So we're gonna get it after 24 hours. So let's try another game. So ito yung Adventure City. Parang siya malaking playground lang for kids. Ayun, no? Punching bag, may slide, there's tunnels. So yung next na gagawin natin is yung SuperBall. Go Lucas, go, go, go! Whoa, nice one.
Well,
Solid sir, Sir AJ.
thank you very much, guys. You can catch me on at ajbonite.lgf. That's my Instagram, or AfroJBonite for my Facebook. You can catch me on TikTok. Konti pa lang video ko is AJ Bonite. And please do support Hip Hop International next year on April 5 to 7. And we're gonna be competing. Actually, we don't have any name yet on the group, but please catch up. I'll see you guys. Please support Let's Ride Philippines. Thanks to guys.
Thank you sir, thank you. Nalagyan natin lahat sa link sa baba. So subscribe lang kayo, like, share nyo, alright? Try natin is yung street game court. So basketball siya. May foul pa rin dito, maximum 10 players. So tatry natin ito ngayon guys. Ayan. So tatry mo lang siya, mini game siya. Dito lang sa street na itong basketball. Ito yung bola sa ilalim mo. If you guys wanna chill, yung table dito is meron pa rin soccer games sa ilalim. Alright. Nga pwede din mag-charge. So ayos, pwede ka mag-charge dito. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So let's play soccer. Wow, goal! Goal! Sa SKILLHOOP, grabe pagod ko na boy. Is yung SuperPinBall just beside the entrance. Grabe pagod na. Lucas, ipawis na. You good? What's your favorite game so far?
All of it.
All of it? Wow!
It's better.
Whoa! Guys, kung magpupunta kayo dito, dala kayong t-shirt tsaka tubig nyo. Sobrang exhausting pero masaya. For family, magko-coordinate talaga kayo or mag-aaway-aaway kayo, bahala kayo. Kami mamaya mag-aaway-aaway na yan. So let's go! Kamusta? Kamusta? Happy birthday, Was. Pepsi na lang. So guys, kapag nakawa kayo, meron naman ditong drinks na tinitinda sila. So pwede kayo bumili dito. Wala kayong baka. So air hockey sila. So habang nakapila tayo, air hockey muna sila. Yung na-miss pala dito, ang tatry natin ngayon is yung TAPWALL. So let's wait for our turn lang. Tapos, laro na tayo. So parang malaki lang siyang iPad. Game na hindi natin ito try is tong foosball. So tara, foosball na lang tayo para lahat is matry natin. Right, Lucas? Alright. Booyah! Please clean and go tayo para ma-maintain naman natin na maayos yung place. So it's close na. 8:30 na. Let's go. Mas maganda if tapon natin sa tamang tapunan. Alright guys, so tapos na kami mag SuperPark. So sobrang pagod and worth it. Ano ang tingin niyo sa SuperPark?
Definitely going back again.
So maganda yung SuperPark. I would rate it 9 out of 10 kasi sobrang fun, madaming activities. Sana lang ma-maintain yung cleanliness niya. Tsaka yung mga activities na maayos kasi maganda pa siya, sobrang ayos niya. So visit SuperPark here at Eastwood City Mall, 4th floor. Alright guys, so bye bye.